Does this happen to look familiar? My name is Kate with WTI, and I'm a complete disorganized mess. Or at least I was, not so much anymore thanks to this awesome makeup storage from UFORU. This is a really nice size, so I have quite a narrow vanity. It fits perfectly on here, and it holds so much stuff. So I had everything scattered, and I had one tiny drawer that housed all of my makeup that I use on the regular, and it was getting really dirty and grimy and super hard to find what I need. I couldn't believe how much this little storage unit held. It has all kinds of little compartments. The ones that I put my brushes in are so deep. I did not expect my brushes to fit so well in it. That was a nice surprise. It also has quite a few spots on the top and then two nice sized drawers. I love this for my mascaras, my eyeliners, that sort of thing. Perfect size and length for that. This particular one is in white. I know they have other options as well, but this is super neutral, so it looks great on my vanity. If you are struggling, if you don't have space, or if you just don't know how to organize everything, this unit will seriously help you a ton. I'm really pleased with it, and that's my point of view.